is Shusha. I'm the founder and the president of Premium Swiss Hospitality from Zurich, Switzerland. And I work for the last 35 years in my life in
Nigeria. Is this your first time in Nigeria?
No, I'm Nigerian already. I came the first time I came to Nigeria in 2011. And since I came, I already had a few friends and business, and never stopped coming to Nigeria. I was even living here in Nigeria in Lagos about 3 years from 2012.
The African hospitality business, how would you describe that?
Well, Africa for me is the world. In itself. Hospitality is already there in Nigeria or in Africa in general. You go from west, east, north, south, and you'd be surprised at what you see as European coming, and you see this kind of warm and hospitality of the people. You're just missing the technique. How can we do in the business, in the hotel industry as a business? You just need to know how implement certain things, and I think a few hotels in Africa is one of the best in the world.
Swiss hospitality, how long has that been in existence?
Premium Swiss Hospitality is officially created in 2016 in Zurich, but we started in 2015. Then Italy, then Egypt, then Ethiopia, then Tanzania, then Kenya, of course Nigeria. So we are in different areas.
Currently in Festival Suit Festac.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay, so what exactly is are you doing? Is Premium Swiss doing in festivals?
Well, it's between myself and this hotel is the love story, because I was myself the general manager of this hotel between 2012 and 2015.
Oh, really?
And when I came, this hotel was with a very low occupancy, need some effort to be there. So I started with the team to put all the effort together, and we did it. We created something very good in this hotel during the 2-3 years, 2013, 2014. And after that, I left Nigeria. I went to another assignment. In 2015, we created with my colleague Premium Swiss Hospitality Zurich, Switzerland, and we started to have a few hotels, including Nigeria and Abuja. And Rampella Hotel is one of our. The hotel had very bad situation due to the pandemic, COVID-19, and followed by the festivals. Yes, well, the world in general. But this festival hotel had very bad time or challenging time during and after the pandemic. So the owner company, UPDC, they called me and they said to me, please come again to see what we can do to the hotel. So I said, I'm not anymore a general manager, I cannot come, but I can come through my company, which is the Premium Swiss Hospitality. And they agreed. They said, we know you, we know how you did in the past, and we trust that we can do. So I came in 1st of August, and I took the lead for this hotel, and I think we are on the good side. This hotel is the history of Lagos, because the area was built in 1977. Festac, which was created, the festival in 1977, and the hotel was also built during that time. And the history, each part of this place, they mean something, and we continue to build out, and we organized the music festival Lagos, the first music festival in Lagos that we did in 2012, 13, 14, 15, and we I think we are going to take back all of this, and we're going to take the lead to enhance this reputation of Festac as a center of culture and music.
You're going to do differently actually to get back to.
You know, I believe in this place, and I don't believe that. Yes, we can face challenge, but each challenge there's a solution. Each challenge we can pass it, we can cross it. And I'm sure that what we did before with all the team that we have, what we built in the past, we can enhance and do even more. Our plan, I think, will take back the Music Festival Lagos. We're going to take it back, and we're going to take back all the events for culture and music and arts in Lagos, and this area will be the center. And this is where the name of the hotel coming, Festival Hotel. So everything it will reflect the World Festival.